All right, so we're getting ready to show you how to replace the wheels on the VR500 and the VR400, which are very similar, but we're going to use the VR500 as our demo. You could use an electric drill or just a regular screwdriver. You're looking at a 6mm Allen wrench and then a 1/2 inch or a 13mm socket. I've already removed the 2 Phillips screws that hold the back end stopper here, cap. Just pull that off. As soon as you pull that off, this comes right out. So we're going to remove this cover. You can do one side at a time. You can do them both at the same time. Doesn't matter. One side at a time is easier. And I'll go ahead and finish it off with the... All right, so now we're going to remove both 1/2 inch nuts that hold these 2 wheels on right here. And next we'll remove the 2 Allen wrenches that hold the bracket that hold the 2 wheels. Comes right out. There's a spacer there, so be careful with that spacer. And then the wheel comes right out. So we put the new wheel on, then the spacer, then the bracket. So here we go, new wheel, spacer's already there. Back on, put everything back in place. So I've replaced the bracket back, putting back my Allen wrenches, screws, bolts first, and then the 2 nuts on the wheel bracket. And then just put your cover back on. Your screws back in there. All right, so I put my cover back on, and of course I've repeated the same process on the other side. So we got both sides replaced now as far as the wheels. When putting it back on the rail, be careful. This is very sharp and it could cut into the wheel. So you just want to be careful as you're just nice and easy, not too much pressure on it. Look, find its way. If not, you can come up underneath, look, and it just pops right in. Put your 2 screws back in, and you're done.